Good morning. Today we're talking about the ADF, or the Automatic Direction Finder, in preparation for the Flight Instructor Instrument Checkride. I'll be honest, I've never actually used one of these in the real world. All instrument approaches that I've done were VOR, ILS, localizer, or GPS. The ADF always seemed like a mystery to me, something about Mary eating roast beef and Barfed. But in preparation for my double I feel like I have a much better understanding of the instrument. From the Instrument Flying Handbook, the ADF, when used with a non-directional beacon, determines bearing from the aircraft to the transmitting station. There are three common types of ADF: the fixed card, movable card, and the radiomagnetic indicator. In all cases, I think it's best to remember that the needle always points to the station. On a fixed card ADF, I like to imagine that my nose is pointing to the top of the instrument, and that the needle tells me how many degrees left or right I need to turn to point to the station. Here, if I were to make a 45-degree turn to the left, it would line me up directly to fly to the station. And here, if I were to make a 60-degree turn to the right, it would point me to the station. On a movable card ADF, it not only tells you how many degrees to turn, if you set the instrument to your current heading, it will tell you the exact heading to fly, without the need to do much math. I really like this simulator. I'll post a link in the description so you can get some practice too. Also, I added a library to my website, including some free stuff and some recommended reading based on your current training stage. Let me know what you think in the comments. Looking forward to hearing your feedback. Hit that subscribe button to fly my way. Thanks for watching. See ya.